are somewhere along Sandy Lake next to a big old pile of rocks. Christian's at the helm.
It is 7 meters right now.
All right, we're gonna go this way.
Let's go a little bit.
I'm gonna call this Gull Rocks.
Gull Rocks? Okay.
Gull Rocks, for obvious reasons. Nick's just changing his sweater.
Gull Rocks?
Oh, they're sending out the attack birds. Just gonna go for a little tour up to the front of the boat. Pretty neat. It's very neat. We got the tunes going and everything. It's good. It's nice and relaxing. Scoot up a bit. Yeah, there's a cleat there. It makes it hard to sit. Let's see. There we go. What are you doing? Go that way. Christian wants to go all the way around the rock for some reason. I don't know why. This is our I don't know what Christian's doing. I'm gonna have to go investigate. Yeah, we're going ashore on the rocks now in a minute.